Hello everybody, it's gonna be a quick tour. Let me take you to the place where Poseidon reigns. So before that, I'm gonna show you around where we stayed. Kapoy na kong anak. But anyway, yeah, we're going to Manila Ocean Park. Yes! Yes, Manila Ocean Park, guys. And the price, the ticket, if you ask, 600 pesos each. And I advise and recommend the Star Deals because there's a lot of deals doon na matutuwa ka, maraming mga discount doon, makakamura ka. So anyway, that's the inside view. May mga kiosks and restaurant din makakainan dyan. But magdala kayo ng tubig kasi sobrang mahal ang bottled water nila doon. 50 pesos, maliit lang. So yeah, that's the entrance and listen up. Yeah. And nakakatuwa dyan. It's perfect to the young kids kasi sobrang educational talaga. Parang namamasyal ka nga sa dagat niyan kasi makikita mo iba't ibang species of fish ang makikita mo dyan. And somehow it's kind of amazing kasi may mga isda talaga ako na hindi ko pa nakita dyan. There are like kind of some weird species of fish.
Hello, what kind of fish is this?
Look at that. Diba? It's kind of a snake or worm na na-stuck dun sa buhangin na yun. But anyway, there's a lot of species as I said. Like, marami ka makitang napakaganda. Napakaganda talaga. Like, you will imagine how beautiful the ocean is if you're going to explore from your experience there. Kasi sabi nito, may daming makita. So, kagaganda. Ayan, weird din yan. Upside down siyang nakalangoy. Para siyang mga stick na pinapalutang lang, ganun. So, yeah, seahorses. I know, alam nyo naman na yan. At yan, yung pinakaganda. Sobrang ganda. Tingnan nyo siya. Hindi ko alam anong pangalan yan. Kasi wala namang nakalagay kasi. Or hindi ko lang binasa. But anyway, super duper beautiful. Look at that. And, ang sarap lutuin yan. Ang lalaki. Yes. Ang lalaki. Look at that. Lalaki tatabanan yan. So, yeah. That's the second part. Papasok sa aquarium. And medyo madilim. But let's go there. And look at that. Yan parang budas. Budas kasi tawag dyan sa amin eh. Lumalaki pa yan hanggang mga 3 kilos each, I guess. It weigh like 3 kilos each. Ganun sila kalaki. Pero yan, mga maliliit pa yan. But it's so amazing. Madami sila. And this is the most exciting part of Ocean Park. Tingnan mo yan. Yung aquarium na maglalakad ka sa malaking aquarium. Nakikita mo yung mga isda na lumalangoy. And super friendly sila. At nakikipag-interact yung ibang fish sa tao. So nice. Tingnan nyo. Pagod na yung anak ko. Pagod na yan at reklamo na siya sa kakatake daw ng daming picture. So, I think it's normal to a boy o sa lalaki talaga na hindi sila mahilig sa picture. Bihira lang. So, yes. And may area doon na you can do like papakain mo yung kanin.
Second floor, let's go.
Or whatever you call that.
Yes, guys, we're going to second floor. Yeah. Hi, anak. Say hi, nak.
So, yes.
Let us check kung ano ang meron dito.
Para mas makasikat.
Here we are.
I think everyday may show sila. So, I advise
Antarctica. My son is right there taking pictures also. And
So, yes.
let's go to the Antarctica. Alam nyo guys, nasa entrance pa lang ako pero nafe-feel ko na yung lamig. Parang ang lamig sa area na to.
I able to bring my son
Yes,
there.
because of course,
Na hindi pa
you
siya
want me to
tumanda.
feel the
Yeah, kasi at least
Antarctica
na-experience
vibes.
niya, nakita niya kahit hindi na tayo sumisay dun sa ilalim ng
Wee!
dagat.
Let's see kung anong
Nakikita at
meron.
namimit na natin
Dini!
ibang klaseng species ng isda.
Feeling ko makikita ko na si Mr. Penguin
Siguro
here.
imagine somehow kung gaano kaganda dun sa ilalim. So, yeah, this area where you can find Mr. Penguin.
Hi, Mr.
Super friendly
Penguin.
nila. Nagpapasikat nga sila sa tao.
Nag-penguin na
Nakikipag-interact sila. Nakakatuwa. Yeah, parang nakakabata.
Hello, naka! Super friendly na. Handa, dugaya nga sila. Picture pa nga. Sabi ka friendly.
Super
Yay! Ayun, ayun, ayun.
Malineta kayo. Kasi magkatabi lang yun. So yeah, that's their like Christmas village. And yeah, medyo mahal yung mahal yung picture yan, yung magpa-picture ka to kunin mo sa kanila. Pero malaki naman. I can't remember the size. I'm not good in that, but nasa 700. But it's good kung may kasama kayo kasi pwede nyo i-split yung price. So anyway, that's it. Thank you for watching and subscribe. Yeah, mag-subscribe na kayo, maawa kayo. Yeah, bye-bye.